It's Jake here. Welcome to my channel with second proverb. Today we are going to learn the proverb "It takes two to tango." What does it mean? Basically, it means when two people work as a team, they are both responsible for the team's success and failures. Basically, it means that some situations, especially conflicts or partnerships, require two people to participate equally. For example, if two friends argue all the time, it's not just one person's fault, both contribute to the problem. This phrase reminds us that responsibility or cooperation is often shared between two people, not just one. Now let's listen to a conversation between two friends using this beautiful proverb.
Look how crooked the linoleum is along the edges of the wall. It looks awful.
Hey, I never said I was an expert at laying linoleum. Besides, it takes two to tango.
And what's that supposed to mean?
Well, you're the one who gave me the measurements. If the job turned out badly, it's just as much your fault as mine.
Maybe so, but if you'll remember, I wanted to hire a professional. You were the one who thought we should save money and do it ourselves.
Yeah, I guess we both learned a lesson. Next time we'll know better.
It takes two to tango.
It takes two to tango.
Takes two to tango, you know.
Just so happens that in my book, it takes two to tango.
Well, he knows it takes two to tango, but it only takes one to ask to dance.
Well, it takes two to tango.